What to do when your ex wants to talk. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Comment, your relationship expert. And in today's video, I'm gonna answer this question. What to do when my ex wants to talk? What should I say and how to react to make sure that I can just plant a seed in his mind and make him or her realize how amazing I am. I know that you want to get back with your ex. I know that you love that person more than anyone else. Now, when your ex wants to talk to you, there is 3 things that I want to share with you. Tips number 1, it's really important to avoid the past. Because your ex will try to talk about every mistake that you have done. We try to talk about the past relationship and we try to show you that you are not compatible, that you cannot be in a relationship together. Our mission is to always make sure that you will never talk about the past, but come back to the electroshock. The electroshock is what you have understood with this situation. Maybe you realize that you need to control your emotions. Maybe you realize that you were codependent or that you let the routine come into your relationship. And this is the most important action when you need to talk to your ex. You need to always make sure that you will talk about what did you understand? What did you realize because of the breakup? And you will be able to show him or show her that you have really changed for yourself, that you are someone different. And this is exactly what we are looking for when there is a dialogue, a communication between you and your ex. So tips number 1, never talk about the past. Focus on what did you understand with the breakup. And if I can really help you, I encourage you to grab a paper, a pen, and to write down everything that you have just understood because of the breakup. Tips number 2, your ex will always have one question that can make sure that you will be able to get him or get her back. This question is, what can prove me that you will never do these mistakes anymore? Because your ex is thinking that you cannot change, right? So, when a client comes to me and asks me, Alex, what should I do when my ex wants to talk to me? My answer is always the same. How can you prove to your ex that you have changed, not for just today, but for a long time? So this is why you need to make sure that you will tell him or tell her not just what did you understand, but also what are the actions that you have done in your life to make sure that you will never be the same. If you can understand this key point in the communication with your ex, I can guarantee you can get back together. Because your ex will be reassured that you have changed forever, not just for today, but forever. And it comes with actions. It's not just, I've changed, I will never be the same. Words are not enough powerful. This is why you need to focus on the actions. For example, I just realized that I was always angry, always mad, always yelling at you. But now that I'm doing yoga, wow, I can just control my emotions. It's not just I realized my mistakes, it's also I have changed. My actions can show you who I am today. Tips number 3, when your ex wants to talk to you, and this is something really important about communication in a relationship or after a breakup, you should listen first. Don't try to communicate, because the mistake that people are doing when you are in a breakup, you're so emotional that you want to talk, you want to answer, and you want to make sure that she will or he will listen and realize everything that you are saying today. This is a huge mistake. If you want to have a good dialogue, you need to listen first. Your ex will talk about the past, about your mistakes, about her or his resentment, her or his feelings. Your ex will have a lot of things to say. Listen. Never answer maybe in the 10 first minutes. Why? Because we want to make sure that your ex will say everything. And then you can prepare your response. I can guarantee you that every people that I've coached so far, when they do mistakes, it's because they want to talk, they want to share something, or they want to respond to their ex. But their ex is not listening. And if you want to make sure that your ex will listen to you, you need to wait, you need to listen, you need to memorize everything. And once they finish, then you can start to talk and say, thank you so much for opening this conversation. Thank you so much for opening up. Now, I want to share something with you. Not talking about the past, not talking about your mistakes, just talking about what did you realize and what are the actions that you have done so far. This is enough to get back with the one you love. This is enough to show that you have changed. I know it's difficult because you have a lot of emotions, because you love that person like no one else. If you need some help, I am here for you. You can start by leaving a comment just right below. Give me a like and please subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. You can find a lot of videos in every topic about breakup, about saving your relationship. If you want to go further, come on withmyexagain.com. You can book a private coaching session with me. We can together change your love life. We can get back with the one you love. But the only one solution is to control the communication. So you should never talk first. Listen and prove that you have changed. This is where you can get back with the one you love. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.